In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove an underline from your text using WordPress in just a few minutes. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website in your preferred browser. Once the homepage has loaded, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the screen and click on it to proceed. This initial step will bring you to the login interface where you will see several sign-in options available. When you reach the login area, you will notice an option labeled Continue with Google. Click on that option and choose the account that you want to use. This method offers a swift and secure way to sign into your WordPress account without needing to enter a username or password manually. It also ensures that your connection remains secure while you access your site's editing area. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the quick link section within your WordPress dashboard. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you into the site editor, where you can make various modifications to your website's content and design. This editor provides a real-time preview and a variety of tools that enable you to adjust your site's appearance, including text formatting options. Within the site editor, locate the text that currently has the underline you wish to remove. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the entire segment of text that contains the unwanted underline. This action makes it easy for the editing tools to apply your formatting changes specifically to the selected text without affecting other parts of your content. After you have highlighted the text, use the keyboard shortcut Control and the letter U simultaneously. This shortcut is designed to remove the underline formatting from the highlighted text instantly. Doing so will update the text style by eliminating the line that appears beneath it, giving your text a cleaner and more modern look. The removal of the underline can help ensure that your content is easily readable and that your website maintains a professional appearance. Throughout this process, remember that the WordPress site editor is a robust tool that allows you to quickly see the impact of your changes in real time. By following these steps, you can efficiently remove underlines from any text within your website without having to navigate through complex menus or options. This straightforward process is particularly useful for bloggers and website administrators who wish to maintain a consistent style across all pages and posts. This concludes the tutorial on how to remove an underline from your text in WordPress. By following these simple steps, you can enhance the visual appeal of your website and ensure that the presentation of your content remains clear and engaging. Enjoy the benefits of a cleaner design while continuing to use the powerful features provided by WordPress.